Tucked between a sheer cliff and the River Meuse is a town that doesn't even feel real. Colourful streets, medieval towers, and apparently a thing for trumpets. Joey wasn't impressed, but I was. This is Dinant, Belgium, and here's what we discovered in just one day. Dinant might just be the most dramatic small town in Belgium. You don't arrive here quietly, you arrive here with your jaw on the floor. On one side you've got these rainbow-coloured buildings lined up along the Meuse River. On the other, a vertical cliff with a fortress literally built into the rock.
Joey does Dinant.
Arrived in Dinant. What a beautiful town. Dressed in the car. We are proper tourists, we survived. And Joey just does not want to go where he's supposed to go. The joys of traveling with the dog. No one knows what you're doing. It's a dog dad life. Me having to walk Joey by carrying him. This bridge is named after Charles de Gaulle, who was wounded here during World War I. But what really stands out are these giant saxophones. Turns out, Dinant is the birthplace of Adolphe Sax, the inventor of the saxophone. So yeah, they kind of run with that theme here. Even Joey was intrigued, probably less about the music and more about the smells.
Joey, there's a church in Europe.
And then there's the Citadel. Originally built in the 11th century, it's been destroyed and rebuilt more than once. But the views from up there worth every step. You can take the cable car or hike the 408 steps. From the top you get this perfect shot. The river, the church, the cliffs, the bridge. It just feels like you're standing inside a painting.
Church in Europe. Did not expect.
The heart of the town is small, just a few streets, but packed with charm. Cafés spill onto the sidewalks, boats drift down the river, and everything moves at this perfectly relaxed pace. We stopped for a coffee, which is mandatory when you're traveling in Belgium, and just sat, taking it all in. Dinant doesn't try to impress you, it just exists, carved between the rock and water, quietly unforgettable. It's small, it's simple, and maybe that's why it's so special. So that was Dinant, a tiny town that somehow manages to feel epic. Cliffside castles, river reflections, and a saxophone soul. If you ever find yourself in southern Belgium, don't just drive past the place. Stop, wonder, and let it surprise you. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you enjoy this little journey, it really helps to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more cinematic travel adventures across Europe. Joey and I are just getting started. Until next time, keep exploring.